Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do this bow, okay? The red color bow. And this is the bouquet I did just now. Alright, so let's focus on this bow today. Take the red color balloon, insert in. Like that, alright? Then measure, one finger, hold it, and then pump up. Like 5 pumps, 5 strokes, so 8 finger tail. Then we have to tie it. Okay, so one side here, we got like 5 finger. Depend on how big the bow you want it to be. Then we can do again 5 finger, loop twist, loop it. 5, soften the balloon, another 5 finger loop twist. Alright. So we have got so far one bubble, a 5 finger, then 5 finger loop, a 5 finger loop as well. Alright, so that's what we have so far. Okay, next we are going to do a pinch twist in front so that it will secure the bow. Right? Do a pinch twist. I like to do a roll like this, rolling it. Right? So the pinch is in front. So now we can grab hold of any object at all for us to wrap around. Right? For example, I will take this shaft. Okay, so this is the one I did just now. Right, let me show you how to wrap around. So put it here. Okay. Hold it and then squeeze away some air so we don't want it to be too fat. Like that. Alright, wrap around, then we measure right to the front here. Okay. Like that. Then turn it. Right. Lock the air. Then we can actually squeeze into the pinch. Okay, then I have got that. Alright. To be on the safe side, I can turn one more round, but optional. Alright, so I'm good like that. Okay, so then the last one is the last side. So I can adjust right, the irregular shape until it's more or less regular. Like that. Alright. So one more. Side of the this side, right? So depend on how long we want it to be. So let me see the length. So I want it to be a little bit longer. Then cut off, tie off the rest. This nozzle. Cut it off. Then you can tie it. Alright, so we are good. Then cut it off. Cut off the other side as well. Okay, there we go. So we have got the bow ready for us. So we can adjust a bit. Alright, and there you go. Together with the pretty flower. Yeah. So these are the flowers we made today. Okay, mainly is to show you the bow of it. So these two, we have got the bow. Do subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Bye bye.